All right, so you're about to start seeing a trend here, but just like with microphones and headphones, speakers have their own specific EQ curve or response. So, again, some speakers will sound bright while others sound a bit more dark. But just like with headphones, we're looking for more of a flat or accurate response out of our speakers. Now, don't get me wrong here, speaker choice can be a very crucial part in getting great audio. But in this course, my main focus is content creators, and as a content creator, your main focus should be pushing out content. And of course, you want that content to sound as good as possible, but as a content creator, you're not trying to be an audio engineer. You'll drastically improve your audio throughout this course, but rather than getting hung up on what exact speakers you should buy, just make sure to go check out my recommended equipment and just choose a set of speakers from there. They'll do the job that you need them to as a content creator, but even more important than speaker choice is going to be how you treat the room you're mixing your audio in, as well as speaker placement. You can buy the most expensive speakers in the world, but if you haven't properly treated the room you're recording in, it won't do you one bit of good. So, use the speakers you have or choose some from my recommended equipment, and let's dive into how to place them properly. And then when you get to the home studio setup/treatment section, we'll cover how to treat the room properly that you're mixing your audio in.